Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out finger rolling versus finger coiling. Now if you don't know what finger rolling is, I think it's like a viral thing on TikTok, but I think I saw it on Instagram, so that's where that came from. But I recently watched Mousse by Mel's video, and she did the exact same thing. As she put the two to the test, and she kind of went more into detail about why a certain method would be better for a certain curl type. So what she went to explain was that finger coiling may not be the best for looser curl types, which is what I have, because it pulls on the root, and so that's why you may get definition, but you won't get that volume. And I feel like that's what actually makes me stay away from finger coiling, is because every time I've done it, my hair just is flat. So yeah, so she went to say that maybe finger rolling would be a better option. So I just wanted to try it out and just see if there is a difference, if it is better for my curl type, if it gives me volume. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to be doing half on one side and the other half on the other side, so stay tuned. So the first thing I have to do is I have to separate my hair, and it's kind of trying, but I'm going to have to re-wet my hair and apply a little bit of product. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I have a weird, what's this called, hairline, so I'm never gonna get like a perfect part. Like, you see this? That's what I mean. Like, what? I have it parted. I don't even want to show you guys the back because if it's not straight, but you know, I don't think that's really gonna affect the comparison. Okay, so anyways, I have this part sectioned off, and I'm going to section it into thirds. So I'm going to start with the bottom section. Again, I'm not doing this like perfectly, but yeah. So I'm going to be doing this side finger coiling, so I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to take a very little bit of the Shea Moisture, like literally that much, just so I'm not overusing products here. Okay, so this side is going to be finger coiling. So pretty simple. You literally just twist it around your finger, and the way I do the sections is you kind of just, okay, I'm gonna start over. I just take my sections the way the hair naturally like parts. So I try to be as even as possible, but it can be pretty hard. Again, I don't do this very often, so I am not the best at it. Great, so I have the first section done, so we're going to let down the others. Now this part I'm kind of concerned about is how do I section it without mixing the hairs. So let's see, this is gonna take me a while, huh? Okay, so I'm finally done this side. I cannot believe I'm committing to this. Like, this is this is taking me a lot longer than I thought. But what I decided is I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of mousse on both sides. So the one I'm using is the John Frieda Frizzy's Dream Curls Mousse. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Let me shake it. Oops. Like, literally, like, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna finish it. Just so it has some hold. Already tell that it's gonna be flat. Like I already know just by the looks of it and like how my hair usually looks when it's wet. Oh my gosh, okay. Let us do this side. Taking a little bit of product again. Just a little bit. Okay, so I don't actually know how to finger roll, so I have to watch something off camera. So hopefully I know how to do it. Okay, let's start at the back. Okay. Okay, so she did. Okay, I'm gonna try with one. Oh no. How did she do it? I did it. I did it. Hi, this is Caitlin. I'm editing. I only have this clip because honestly I kept messing up, so I just did it off camera because it was taking me way too long. But yeah, enjoy the clip, and also I'm gonna take this time to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, you know, comment down below. Yeah, okay, on with the video. Okay, so I'm finally done. I can definitely see a difference when it's wet, but that may just because I had, maybe that may just be because I had to take different bigger sections because it was a lot harder to finger roll with like the thinner sections. So I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna add the mousse to it, just like I did on the other side, and hopefully that kind of finishes this off. This is the finger rolling side, and then this is the finger coiled side. So I think I see a difference, but I mean that could all change. So I'm gonna go diffuse it, and then I'm gonna be back, and then we will assess the results. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is dry, and there's a difference. There is a literal difference in the height of my hair, so the shrinkage. The finger rolling side shrunk up a lot more than the finger coiling side, and I'm just gonna show you guys close up. But yeah, I actually don't know which side I prefer. I think for the most part, I mean, there really isn't much volume on either, and I'm really trying to like fluff it up here. But finger coiling side looks more perfect than the finger rolling side. Like, to be honest, this is kind of what I would expect when I do my hair. Like, I feel like it does clump more together, but I don't know if I get as much shrinkage. So it's kind of different and weird, and I don't know, I guess it really depends on what you prefer. I don't know if I would do either of these again, just because this took so long for me and I'm definitely not used to it. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. I think you guys should definitely try both and see which you like, and yeah, maybe it might be different on your hair. So let me know in the comments below which side you prefer, if you even notice a difference, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.